We are using 3 separate locations in our teaser trailer. The 3 locations are 1 a forest, 2 a pub and 3 a bedroom. We will be filming a lot of our trailer in the forest at night, as this is where a lot of the suspense is built. To find the area of the forest we wanted to use, we took a walk down the forest to find the perfect spot. We then took some photos of the surroundings and put them on our blog. Our second location is the Centurion pub. We thought this would be a good place to set some of our trailer, as it fits in well with the story, as it's a small, gloomy and empty pub, but it does have the right atmosphere and will really set the tone for the scene when we film in there. Like the forest, we went to the pub and took some more photos. Our third and last location will be in a bedroom. This is the part of the trailer that will give away much of the film's purpose, as the unknown is going to answer the audience questions. Yet this is such a small scene that the audience may want to know more. To help develop our production, we're planning on holding auditions from people who would like to take part in our trailer. We will give them lines to say from the script and make them act as if they were filming. Not only this, but we believe that if we take them to the forest location, they might be able to get a feel of the right atmosphere.